Do you think how many months does it take to become fluent in English? I know you are think, but I want to say please don't try to know. Don't try to know how many months does it take to become fluent in English because it depends person to person. If you are a hard worker, then it will be easy for you. You can speak English confidently and effortlessly early. But if you are a procrastinate person, then it will be less chances to become fluent in English language in your early day. Okay, so I want to welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel Learnify today. And this video I will share with you each and everything and how many months does it take to become fluent. So what I'm sharing with you how many months does it take to become fluent in English. So it depends person to person. I already told with you it depends person to person. If you are a hard worker, if you are maintaining your consistency and doing practice every day, then it will become easy to speak English language and become fluent. But if you have a procrastinate, okay, like I don't want to do this work at this time, I don't like to do, like this types of excuse if you have, then it will be very less chance to become fluent in English speaker. Maybe in your case it will be take years and years, maybe 1 or 2 years. Okay, 1 or 2 years. So just do your practice each and every day by maintaining your consistency, because if we put efforts to speak English language, then it will be easy to know each and everything. But if we are not doing any efforts, if we are having only dream, I want to speak, I want to learn, then it will be not work. And that is why I want to share with you my one thing. you know in my case, it took 1 year. To be honest, I have been learning English for 1 year. That is why I can explain my thoughts, whatever I want to share with you, I can share each and everything freely and also with confidently. That is why I can speak English in front of you and I can make videos as well. So just do, and whatever we can do, like practice or listening, watching English content, reading or writing, all the things we have to do in order to become fluent. If we want to become, I know you want to become, are you? If you, then please start today onwards. Start learning your journey today onwards in order to speak English language. Yes, English, it is not a burden. It is a beautiful language. And if we can speak English, then we feel more confident and more comfortable with this language. Because English, if we can speak, then it will be help to face any stranger, or it will be help to go any other country, and if we have to talk, then we can talk easily. But if you don't know, then I think it will be very difficult for you, because if in that situation, if we have to face any stranger in English, then it will be very difficult for facing them. That is why we have to improve our English language. That is why I'm also improving my English communication skill. So it takes person to person, and I would say start, give some efforts, start today onwards. And what you can do, you should do practice with yourself. At least you should try to explain anything, like whatever you do, like I am cooking, I am doing, I am mopping, or like this types of sentence. And you should explain your daily routine. You should explain your introduction and about your family and any beautiful memory. You can explain anything, but you should try to explain at least, because all the things that will help you to get confidence and become fluent also. So first of all, you should try to know uh, what you can do firstly, try to learn something like a tenses. Okay, try to learn tenses and enough vocabulary. If you have enough vocabulary, then you can understand easily. If you don't have, then it will be difficult, but at least you should try to improve your vocabulary first, then start learning tenses, uh, present, past or future. You should try to know, you should try to learn, then you can differentiate between all the tenses. Okay, and do practice into the mirror, and start introducing yourself and explaining your village, explaining your education and your family background. And I know you are thinking she is an English medium student, that is why she can speak English, that is why she can make video as well. But please, 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 it is totally wrong. You are thinking totally wrong, because I started my journey from the scratch. I didn't know how to introduce myself. I didn't know how to learn English, how to speak English, and it was very difficult when I was started my English journey. So at that time, it was very difficult to introduce. But once I started, you know, after passing some days, some months or year, I can explain whatever I want in my mind, whatever I have to explain, I can explain freely and confidently as well. So always try to learn something, always try to improve yourself at least 1%. You should try to do at least 1% every day, and try to make your consistency. Whenever you break your consistency, your mind also try to forget all the words. That is why we need to maintain our consistency. We have to revise all the things after ending the day. Okay, in morning, whatever you learn after the day, you should try to revise all the things, maybe tenses, vocabulary or sentences, or your daily routine. You have to explain into the mirror. If you have a partner, then make a call and start talking with them. Start sharing your experience about English learning and about yourself. Then try to listen that person and share uh, each and everything. Okay, this way you can become fluent in English speaker, and always willing to learn English, always willing to do something better from from other person. And in my case, I don't have any English environment. See, this is my village, you know, this is my village, and here is no anyone can talk with me in English. I don't know anyone can speak, but I don't have any partner in this village. That is why I can say, in my family, in my village, I don't have any English partner, and I don't have any English environment. That is why I'm making my own environment by making my video, and by you know uh, mm, by introducing myself into the mirror, by talking with online friends. Just I try to improve myself in this way. I'm making my own environment in this way, and this way I am making my day productive. Okay, each and every day I talk with mirror, each and every day I try to record my video, and after that I try to uh, see, I try to watch and find my mistakes, where I made or not, my English improving or not.